Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. You know, since the beginning of the year, I have been cleaning out the pantry. Today, I'm going to be making peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. This recipe was introduced to me when I got married. I'd never eaten them before that. My mom made Rice Krispie treats, but they were always made with marshmallows. But I've learned to love this version just as well. Start out by heating 1 cup of corn syrup on the stove. Once you get it warmed up, then add 1 cup of peanut butter. I like to warm the syrup and peanut butter because it makes mixing the Rice Krispies much easier. One cup of brown sugar. You can see as the syrup gets thinner and thinner that everything incorporates much better. You don't want your mixture to boil though, because it'll make your Rice Krispie treats too hard or too chewy in the end. And there's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then comes 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. Now mix them in well so that they're good and coated. Now get a baking dish and butter it lightly. That way your Rice Krispies won't stick to the bottom. Turn your mixture out into the dish. And start pressing. We like them best packed down tight. You can see I took one of my bowls that I had on the bar with me and I buttered the bottom of it and just started using it to pack the Rice Krispies down. The denser they are, the easier they are to hold, the more they hold together. And they'll be dense, but you can cut you smaller pieces. Once you have them packed in well, just cover them with saran wrap and put them in the fridge to cool. And there they are, peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. As you can see in these shots, I made some peanut butter ones and some vanilla drizzled ones. I also found some pink and white marshmallows in the pantry, so I made a small pan of pink treats for my granddaughter. Oh, how is it?
Good.
Good. You like the pink ones?
And the peanut butter.
You like the peanut butter too?
Mm-hmm.
All right, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. So if you have never tried peanut butter Rice Krispie treats, do so. They're wonderful. Talk to y'all next time.